Assalamu alaikum, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Experience fashion that speakers of elegance, comfort, and artistry without skin blouses design. Step into a world of elegance and style with our executive collection of blouses designed to complement every mood occasions, crafted with precision from premium fabrics. Each blouse is effortlessly blend comfort with sophistication, whether it be soft flow of silk and delicate texture of chiffon or the breathable charm of cottons. Our design ensure feel graceful and confidence all day long. Blouses elevate your wardrobe with our stunning and range of blouses that perfectly combine tradition and contemporary style. Each blouse is thoughtfully designed to offer a flawless fit, enhanced with fine blouse long description. Discover the perfect harmony of style, comfort, and sophistication with our exclusive blouse collection. Meticulously soft silk, flowing chiffon, premium cotton, and luxury georgette. Each blouse ensures a step into a world where elegance meets modern fashion with our executes collection blouses designed for women who carry styles, comfort, and grace. Each blouse is meticulously crafted from premium fabric like soft silk, flowing chiffon, lightweight cotton, and luxurious georgette, ensuring a flawless fit and graceful drape that flatters every body type. The collection features a diverse range of designs from timeless traditions, embroidery, beadwork, delicate lacework, and intricate subtle prints and application minimalistic cut sleeves, full sleeve, bell sleeve, peplum, and crop styles are all thoroughly tailored to suit every occasion, whether it's festive celebration, a formal event, or a casual day out. Every blouse is a statement piece, balancing elegance with comfort. The fine craftsmanship ensures durability while highlighting femininity, making each design a must-have in every wardrobe. Pair them effortlessly with sarees, lehengas, skirts, or trousers, and experience the perfect blend of tradition and modern. Our blouses are more than just garments, they are celebration of style, confidence, and individuality with attention to every stitch details. This collection promises to enhance your look, making you feel radiant, poised, and effortlessly fashionable. Individually, the artistry of fashion with our extraordinary collection of blouses and shoppications crafted from the finest fabric from silky satin and flowing chiffon. Crafted from finest fabrics, from silky satin and flowing chiffon to breathable cotton and ethereal georgettes, these blouses promise an impeccable fit, soft drape, and unmatched comfort. Each design is a masterpiece, featuring executes embellishments, delicate embroidery, sparkling sequins, and intricate lace detailing that reflects timeless craftsmanship. The collection seamlessly blend traditional artistry with contemporary trends, offering a variety of styles including structure, full sleeves, airy bell sleeve, chic crop cuts, graceful peplum shade, and classic sleeve designs. Perfectly versatile, and these blouses can be paired with sarees, lehengas, skirts, or trousers, effortlessly elevated. Your assembles of wedding, festive occasion, office parties, or casual outings. Every stitch and detail is thoroughly designed to highlight femininity and grace, ensuring that you like to pose confidence and radiant. More than just clothing, these blouses are statements of style, individuality, and refinement taste. A wardrobe essential for every modern woman who craves elegance with comfort. With our collection, fashion meets artistry, turning everyday moments and special occasion to timeless memory. Step into a world of elegance and style with our stunning collection of blouses, where design tells a story of grace and sophistication. Elegant Women Blouses Collection. Discover the perfect blend of style, sophistication, and comfort with our executes collections of women blouses. Each blouse is designed to elevate your wardrobe, featuring minimum premium fabric draped gracefully and feel soft against the skin. From casual day wear to office elegance and evening sophistication, these blouses are versatile enough for every occasion. Our collection showcase a variety of style, including tailored cuts, flowing silhouettes, and contemporary designs, all enhance the intricate details such as delicate embroidery, cheek lace accents, subtle ruffles, and statements buttons. Whether you perfect vibrant colors, classic neutrals, or soft frills, each blouse is crafted to complement your personal style while providing a flattering fit. Pair these blouses effortlessly with skirts, pants, jeans, or create a polished, fashionable look designed with attention to detail, comfort, and elegance. Our blouses are not just clothing; they are statement of grace and style. Executive blouses for every occasion. Step into a world of elegance sophistication with our stunning collection of women blouses crafted to bring your inner style icon. Each piece of thoughtfully designed with light, high quality fabrics such as soft cotton, luxurious silk, chiffon, breathable blend that offer comfort without compromising on style. The premium material ensure a smooth, flattering fit that moves gracefully with every step. Our blouses come in a diverse array of styles to suit every taste, and queens choose from classic button down for professional look, chic peplum tops for feminine charm, flowing tunics or effortless elegance, or trendy crop blouses for a modern statement. Every design is essence with executing details, delicate embroidery, intricate lacework, elegant ruffles, stylish plaits, and subtle prints that add a touch of sophistication and individuality. Available in a wide palette of colors and timeless neutrals to vibrant eye-catching hues. Our blouses are easy to mix, match with skirts, trousers, jeans, or shorts. They are perfect for office wear, casual outings, evening events, or festive occasions, allowing you to effortlessly create a variety of stylish look designed with attention to comfort, fit, and fashion forward aesthetics. These blouses are more than just tops, they are essential wardrobe staples. Attention to comfort, forward aesthetic, they are essential wardrobe staples that elevate your everyday style, whether layered under jacket pair with high-waisted buttons or styled with statement accessories. Each blouse is versatile piece that brings elegance, confidence, and charm to your wardrobe. Transform your look with our collection of blouses that combine timeless designs, impeccable craftsmanship, and modern fashionable sensibilities. Luxury woven blouses elevate your wardrobe with our executive collection of woven blouses where timeless elegance meets unparalleled comfort. Each blouse is meticulously crafted from premium fabrics such as airy chiffon, silky satin, soft cotton, and delicate lace, ensuring a lightweight feel and flawless drape that flatters every silhouette. And tailoring reflects to complements to quality and sophistication, making each blouse a piece of carries designed to create a diverse taste and occasions. Our blouses range from classic button-down styles perfect for professional setting to flowy tunics and peplum design that execute feminine charm, contemporary crop tops, embroidered pieces, and lace accents designs bring a modern stylish touch while subtle ruffles, plait, and unique cuts add a sense of refinement. Thoughtful elements such as statement button, delicate embellishments, and intricate prints elevate each blouse from ordinary to extraordinary. Our wide spectrum of colors from soft petals and elegant neutrals to bold, vibrant hues allow to you effortless create versatile outfit. Pair them with tailored pants, skirt, or denim for casual outings, office meetings, evening events, or festive occasions. Layer them under jackets, accessories with statement jewelry to create looks that are both stylish and personal. More than just clothing, our blouses are expression, confidence, grace, and individuality. Designed for the women who value both comfort and style, they offer a flattering while embracing the latest fashion trend. Every blouse in our collection promises versatility, elegance, and enduring quality, ensuring that you look and feel impeccable whenever you go. Stunning women blouses, elegant comfort and style in every step. Experience the perfect harmony of fashion and functionality with our carefully curated collection of women blouses. Each blouse is designed to reflect grace, sophistication, and contemporary style while ensuring maximum comfort. Crafted from high quality fabrics such as soft cotton, blend, delicate chiffon, satin, luxurious silk, these blouses feel gentle on the skin, offering a flattering fit that moves effortlessly with your body. Execute women's blouses. Step into a world of timeless fashion with our luxurious collections of women blouses, where every piece is a perfect blend of elegance, comfort, sophistications. Each blouse is crafted from premium fabric, including breathable, silky satin, and soft linen, ensuring smooth, lightweight, and feel that drapes gracefully on every figure. The superior quality and fine craftsmanship guarantee long-lasting wear while maintaining a refined, polished look. Designed for women all tastes and occasions, our blouses features impressive array styles from classic tailored button down instruction shirts to elegant peplum tops, fluid tunics, and chic crop blouses. Each design is enhanced with meticulously details such as delicate embroidery, intricate lace panels, stylish pleats, soft ruffle statement buttons, subtle prints, and contemporary cuts, adding unique character and charm. Available in an extensive glitters of color from soft petals and elegant neutrals to vibrant eye-catching shades, and blouses can be effortlessly paired with trousers, skirts, jeans, or shorts to create versatility outfits for office wear, casual outings, evening events, or festive celebration. Layer them under jackets, accessories with jewelry, or style with belts to create looks that are both modern and timeless by one their beauty. These blouses are designed to provide comfort, confidence, and flattering fit for all body types. Each piece is more than just a top, it is a statement, individuality, grace, and impeccable taste. Whether you are dressing for a professional setting, a social gathering, or a relaxed weekend, or blouses ensure you make a stylish impression every time. Ultimate collections of women blouses, elegant comfort and versatility. Elevate your wardrobe with our exclusive collection of women blouses, where timeless elegance meets modern style and unmatched comfort. Each blouse is crafted from premium fabric, including breathable cotton, sewing chiffon, silky satin, delicate georgette, soft linen, and these blouses tap where style, comfort, and elegance come together in perfect harmony with our defective collections of women blouses. Each piece is thoughtfully designed to complement every body type, occasion, and personal style, ensuring that women can express their individuality with grace and confidence. Crafted from the finest fabric, including airy chiffon, soft cottons, flowing georgette, silky satin, delicate lace, and premium balanced materials. Our blouses offer a luxurious feel, impeccable drape, and enduring comfort that carries you effortlessly from day to night. Our range includes an extensive variety of design to suit all tastes and occasions. Classic buttons down and structured shirts are perfect for professional settings, executing confidence and perfect polish elegance. Flowing tunics, peplum tops, A-line blouses bring our feminine charm, while modern tops, less accent designs, and embroidered pieces offer a trendy fashion-forward statement. Each blouse is enriched with execute detailing such as delicate embroidery, intricate lace panels, styling petals, soft ruffle, elegant collars, unique cuts, ensuring every piece is not just clothing but a work of art. Our collection embraces a vast spectrum of colors from timeless neutrals and muted petals to bold, vibrant hues or rich jewel tones, allowing women to create versatility outfits effortlessly. These blouses pair beautifully with trousers, skirts, jeans, shorts, and even layered symbols, making them suitable for casual outings, office meetings, evenings, or festive celebrations, special occasions. Layering with jackets, accessorying with statement jewelry, or combining with belts and skirts further enhances the styling and scarf possibilities, letting each woman express her individuality while staying effortlessly chic by one style. Our blouses priorities comfort and functionality. Each design ensure flattering fit for all body types with truthful tailoring and fabric choices that allow ease of movement without compromising on elegance. The versatility of these blouses makes them essential wardrobe staples capable for transforming simple outfits into sophisticated symbols with minimal effort. From the finest texture to the most intricate embellishments, every blouse in our collection reflects a commitment to quality, styles, timeless appeal. These are more than mere tops; they are a celebration, confidence, sophistication, a personal expression. Whether dressing for professional engagements, casual weekends, elegant dinners, or festive gatherings, our blouses guarantee that you stand out with the poise and charm includes in our luxurious collection. Today I discover blouses that are not just fashion piece and statement of elegance, comfort, and versatility with unparalleled quality, meticulous craftsmanship, and attention to detail. These blouses are designed to elevate your wardrobe and define the way of women experience fashion. Discover our unparalleled sophistication with our ultimate collection of women blouses designed to combine elegant comfort and contemporary fashion in every stitch. Each blouse is meticulously crafted from the finest fabrics, soft cotton, flowing chiffon, delicate georgette, silky satin, luxurious linen, and premium blended materials, ensuring a graceful drape, smooth textures, and expectational comfort that feels as good as it looks. With attention to detail in tailoring, stitching, and finishing, each blouse is a reflection of impeccable craftsmanship, enduring quality. Our collection celebrates versatility style for every woman. Classic tailored button downs provide professional and polished appearance for office wear, executed confidence, refined elegance. Flowing tunics, peplum tops, A-line blouses showcase feminine charm, while contemporary crops tops, less essential